Wow. So moist. I know I only took a little piece, but hey guys, welcome back to Vegas Vixen in the kitchen. So today we're gonna be making banana bread. So I had all these leftover overripe bananas and I didn't want to throw them away, so here we are making banana bread. Let's go over our ingredients. So here I have 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, a tablespoon of milk, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and by the way, LaFleur, Spice Brothers, I need some more cinnamon, especially the cinnamon sticks. And then we also have a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a teaspoon of salt. And also over here we have 4 mashed up bananas and we have some butter. All right, so let's get started. I'm gonna have our sugar here, and then I'm gonna dump our butter. And I threw this in the microwave, I melted it. And then we're going to cream it together. And I think that looks fairly creamy. So we're going to add our bananas. And then our milk. And then 1 egg at a time. So we're doing 2 eggs. So 1 egg. And then we're going to mix that. And then we're ready for the other egg. And then we're gonna mix that. Didn't want to over mix it. And then we're going to set this aside and we're gonna mix up our dry ingredients. So we have the salt, the baking soda, the baking powder, and the cinnamon. So I'm gonna whisk that to combine them. And then we put it into our wet mixture. And then I'm just gonna mix it with the whisk so I don't over mix it. So while I'm mixing this, I have the oven preheated to 325 degrees. And once this is all incorporated and mixed perfectly, I'm going to bake it for 1 hour to 1 hour and 10 minutes, or just until you put a toothpick in and it comes out clean. So this is just about ready. All right, and so I buttered one of these little pans that I got at the store, and this is a disposable one. I find it a lot easier because then I could just toss them when I'm done. So now I'm gonna put our batter in there. And there we have it. I'm just gonna smooth it over. And boom, we're ready for the oven. All right guys, so it's been about 1 hour and 20 minutes. I tested it with the toothpick and it's finally clean and it's ready to be served. So here it is. I'm gonna just flip it over and then flip it again. Whoop, came out perfectly, piping hot. I'm just gonna give it a little cut so I can taste it. It's kind of crunchy on the top, huh? But nice and soft on the inside. Smells amazing. I'm gonna cut another, actually I'm just gonna taste taste this piece. It's not big enough. Wow, so moist. I know I only took a little piece, but it was so good. And I can't wait to eat it all by myself. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, let me know what you think, subscribe, and share on your social media. See you next time. And then we have our, what is this? Sorry. Should I start over? Okay, the toothpick didn't come out. Let me just do it over. Subscribe and okay, hold on.